In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page URL in Squarespace. Changing a page's URL is a small tweak that can make a big difference for clarity, user experience, and search engine visibility. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what the URL slug is, and share a few best practices so you feel confident making this update. Start on your Squarespace dashboard and open your site's workspace. From the left-hand sidebar, choose Website. This takes you into the area where you manage your site's structure and content. Next, head into Pages. This is where you'll see your site's navigation, any folders, and all the pages you can edit. Take a moment to locate the page you want to update. If it's nested inside a folder or not linked in navigation, you can still find it here in the Pages panel. Now select the page and open its settings. Hover over the page title to reveal the gear icon, then click that settings icon. This opens a panel with options specific to that page, like title, SEO settings, and more. Inside this panel, look for the field labeled URL slug. This is the part of the address that comes after your domain, and it's what visitors will see and share. Click into that field and edit the slug to what you want the page's URL to be. Keep it short, descriptive, and easy to read. Best practice is to use lowercase letters, separate words with hyphens, and avoid spaces or special characters. For example, pricing or about our team are clear and clean. Before you finalize it, think about whether the page is already live. Changing a URL on a published page can break existing links from emails, social posts, or other pages. If you're updating a live page, plan to test your links afterward, and consider setting up a redirect so old links send visitors to the new address. Also, make sure the new slug matches the page's purpose and keywords to help with search engine understanding. When you're happy with the slug, click Save. That applies your change. After saving, open the page on your site to confirm the new URL is working. Your navigation will reflect the page itself, but if you've manually linked to the old address anywhere, update those links to prevent 404 errors. Give search engines a little time to recognize the change. That's normal, and that's it. Website, pages, page settings, update the URL slug, and save. With those quick steps and a bit of planning, you can keep your URLs clean, consistent, and helpful for both visitors and search engines.